Integrity Day 2026 THOURAM United Clubs Organization of BISHNUPUR District UCOVID MPAL AMWOVA KASUCO BISCO MASVUCO UVACO WANSUCO AMADI Anti-Drug Campaign BISHNUPUR District PUNNA KHUTSAMNANA SHINDUNA NINGTHOUKHOng AWANG LEIKAI Community Hall da NGASI PANGTHOKHRE THOURAM aduda UCOVID ki President W Basanta AMBUCO gi Advisor ITO Tongbram ngakpigani Ito Tongbram AMUCO gi VP Akoizam Santos Village Authority Sadhu Chirugi Vonkulu Kamai Chothegi Village Chief Thau Jatra Chothe Kha Aimol Kedogi President KS Wante Former Chiru Union Manipur gi Information Secretary Eding Nishum Kom Union Manipur gi Advisor T Achung MPAL gi President N Thambalema Amadi Akivo Kwakta gi General Secretary Hanif Khana Athoiba Mithunglen oina saruyaki THOURAM aduga mari leinana UCOVID ki Vice President Salam Santa Luwangna phongdokhibada lisang sina chahi lising manga gi puwari leijaraklaba lamdamasi thengkhang kayada singchep thajinduna thugaina ba honarakpa asida Manipurda khundaminariba furuk kaya ase nungsinaba apunba Manipur ama semnaba pandamda ningsingduna THOURAM asi pangthokpani THOURAM asi jat bijat khaidana khundaminariba yellow furuk khudimagna unity leirabadi mapalamdaki khut changshilakuna Manipur thugaina ba honarakliba asi thugaiba ngamloi loinana Manipur thokliba lisingani kunhumdoi me kitang ahumdagi hauduna thokliba irang asina Manipur tangdu leitaba haibadu oidri Indian Constitution leiribra leitabra haibasi miyamda chamamnaba faure maramasina English Singamagachama Nifugatareta Manipur Constitution Act Nauna Chanaba Yadriba Haibasi Achawa Wahanga Oire Haina Fungdoki